Welcome to the presentation of WALLS-Retain calculation of retainment walls. In a new project you start entering new soil layers. To make things easier you should use the grid option to enter new points. I now start clicking the soil layer points from the left to the right. Using the spacebar enables you to enter the points in a dialog. The right mouse button finishes the input and offers you a dialog to change the soil layer properties. As you can see, the command stays active, so we can enter a second layer easily. The next step is to enter a wall by simply clicking a head and a foot point. In the dialog you can select the wall type, and we also implemented the cross sections from the dimensioning program. Then I create some area loads on the surface. The load case name offers you to be able to activate only a certain group of loads for a construction stage. Finally, I'll enter a load covering the whole surface. The along surface flag creates multiple blocks of loads along the surface. I pick a different group name for these loads to be able to activate only these later. Load fractions below 10 kN per square meter can be of permanent type. With the escape key you exit the current creation command. As you can see now, the load parts are created as separate objects along the surface. Finally, we can start to build the first construction stage. Here you can select what load groups should be active. Next step is to create the excavation level. Do this by clicking the ground surface from left to right. After a right button click, the polygon will be intersected with the soil from the primary stage. In order to change the excavation level, simply enter a new polygon. Let's finish this example with our last construction stage. Also, we need an anchor for this long wall. Just click the approximate head and tail point. We're just setting the inclination. The length will be a result of the calculation later. With a given length, the program calculates the stiffness for your convenience. These are the project-wide options, with common earth pressure built in. Although the earth resistance due to Gudehus is just a flag now. On the second tab you find settings for the calculation using a bedded foot. The green button is for the options of each construction stage. Since there is no support for the wall in stage A, we calculate the wall length due to Bloom. The program can automatically find the earth pressure redistribution shapes as given in the recommendations on excavations. Stage B has an anchor, so we choose an horizontally displaceable foot support here. There is a great variety of special options I don't want to describe in this quick tutorial. In stage A, I only enable the loads in the constant traffic load group. Finally, I start the calculation. With this button you can adjust the display diagrams. The automatically refreshed text boxes can be moved and deleted, of course. The primary stage is used to display enveloping internal moments, displacements, and angle forces. With the magic wand button you can specify the contents of the results printout. And in the end you have a nice printout for your customer. Thank you for your attention. If you want more information about FIDES geotechnic software, visit our website on fides-dvp.europe.